So, a student, moving ahead to the next question, we came to question number 3, and question number 3 says the shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the garden. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. And here it is also given length of the rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meters. So, your question is asking, there is a garden, in the middle garden is in the shape of a rectangle, and at ends these are semicircular, and we have to find out the area of the garden and the perimeter of the garden. And there is a diagram also given. You can see here the diagram is also given. Here is a rectangular field, this is a rectangular field, and this semicircular ends joins this field at both ends. This is also the part of that garden. These semicircular parts are also the part of the garden. And this is 7 meter. You can see here this 7 meter is taken with these arrows and indicating that this arrows indicates the breadth of the rectangle, and the breadth of the rectangle is equal to the diameter of the semicircle. As you can see here, this side is both, means breadth of the rectangle and also the diameter of the semicircular, as you can see here, because this is a common side of both the figures, means this side makes rectangle also and this side makes semicircle also. So here we can see also that this will be also 7 meter, and here this part is given from here 20 meter. As you can see here, this is 20 meter, and this 20 meter is the total length of the figure including semicircular parts. So when we find out the length of the rectangle only, this is given 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. Now let's come to the solution. As given here, total length is equal to 20 meter and diameter of semicircle is 7 meter. So you know well, when diameter of semicircle is 7 centimeter, the radius will be half of the diameter, because the formula says that radius of the circle is half of the diameter. So we have made it half. So 7 by 2 when divided gives 3.5. So this will be your radius. And length of the rectangular field, as it was given in question here, it was given in question, so we have put here to find length of rectangular field. 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 when this 3.5 added 2 times gives 7, so 20 minus 7 gives 13 meter. And breadth of the rectangular field is 7 meter. As I have said earlier, this side is breadth and diameter for both the figures, as semicircle and rectangles. Now we have found the length of the rectangle and also the breadth of the rectangle. And the question is asking what will be the area of the rectangle and the area of semicircle altogether. So the area of a rectangular field will be L into B. As you remember, formula of rectangle is equal to L into B. So 13 L, in place of L we can write here 13, and in place of B we can write here 7. So when these two numbers are multiplied, this gives 91 meter. So the area of a rectangle is 91 meter, and area of semicircle, as I have written, 2 multiply 1 by 2 and pi r square. This 2 indicates that there are 2 semicircles. As you can see in the figure here, there are 2 semicircles. The first is here and the second one is here, and joining the rectangle. So that we have to find both the figure's area, and when these figures join all together, this will make a complete circle. So I have not find separately the area of semicircles. I have done the total altogether area of the complete circle. If you want to find out each area separately, you can find. There is no problem. But this will be a time consuming process. So here come to the point. 2 is written here due to the 2 semicircles, and you know well that area of semicircle is equal to half pi r square. So here pi r square, half pi r square is the formula. So area of semicircle, half pi r square, and 2 is here because of 2 semicircles. So 2 multiplied half pi r square, this will give you, when you operate these all operations, this will give you 38.5 meter square. So the area of the 2 semicircle will be 38.5. Now, according to question, we have to find area of total garden. So garden includes these 2 semicircles and the rectangle also, and we have found out the area of rectangle and the total area of circle. So now we can add these two areas to find out the total area of the garden. So here 91 meter was the area of a rectangle, and 38.5 was the area of 2 circles. So this will give you 129.5 meter square. This is the area of total garden. Now also the question is asking perimeter of this garden, total perimeter of this garden. Now you can see here, these are perimeter, each can be shaped, also the circumference, but here perimeter is given, so we consider perimeter. So this is semicircle and this is semicircle, and there are 2 semicircles here, and when 2 semicircle of same radius join each other, they make a complete circle. So we have found, now I have written area perimeter of two semicircles is equal to 2 pi r. As you have learned that what is the circumference of the circle? Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So here 2 and multiply 22 by 7 multiply 3.5. So this will give you 22 meter. Now we have found, according to the question, the perimeter of the two circles. Now we have to find out the perimeter of this rectangle, because this is also the part of the garden, and we have already found out the perimeter of two circles. Now remaining part of the garden is rectangle, and to find the perimeter of the rectangle, as we know well that perimeter of any figure is the sum of all sides. Now we have, this is 13 meter, this is 7 meter, this is 7 meter, and this is 13 meter. Now you will say that it is easy to find out the perimeter of the circle, perimeter of the rectangle, but this is there is a very important twist here, as this 7 is this 7 was included in finding the perimeter of the semicircle. So this 7 will not be added, and this 7 will not be added. Now what will be there is, you can see here 13 was the one side remaining, and this 13, this length, was the one side remaining. So in finding the total perimeter of the garden, we have to write 13 plus 13, and this was 22, and 22 had come from perimeter of semicircles. So here 22 plus 13 plus 13, and this will give you, when added, 48 meters. So two answers are there of the question. There of this question. First is 129.5 meters square, and the second is 48 meters.